Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in blockchain and trading. Today, we're tackling something super practical: how to transfer USDT on Coindcx in 2025. If you're new to this or just need a quick refresh, you're in the right place. USDT, or Tether, is a stablecoin that's pegged to the US dollar, making it a favorite for quick and secure transfers. By the end of this video, you'll be transferring USDT like a pro. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have a Coindcx account set up. If you don't, head over to their website or app and create one. It's straightforward and secure. Once you're logged in, navigate to your dashboard. Look for the Wallets or Assets section. That's where all your cryptocurrencies are listed. Now, select USDT from your wallet. You'll see an option to transfer or withdraw. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to enter the recipient's address. This is crucial. Double-check the address to avoid any costly mistakes. Remember, in 2025, Coindcx might have enhanced security features like multi-factor authentication, so enable that if you haven't already. Next, enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer. Keep an eye on any network fees. They can vary based on blockchain congestion. Coindcx often uses networks like Tron or Ethereum for USDT, so choose the one that suits your needs for speed and cost. Once everything looks good, hit Confirm and verify the transaction details one last time. After you submit, you'll get a confirmation message, and the transfer should process quickly, usually within minutes. Track it in your transaction history to ensure it goes through smoothly. And hey, always prioritize security. Use hardware wallets for large amounts and never share your private keys. That's it, you've just mastered transferring USDT on Coindcx in 2025. If this helped, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay safe out there, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace out.